Welcome to the second video in our series on income tax in the US. Today, we'll cover the different types of US income tax, including state and local taxes, Social Security, and Medicare taxes. Let's begin with state and local taxes. In the United States, income taxes vary depending on where you live and work. States and cities may have entirely different tax rates from one another. Some states, like Florida and Texas, have no state income tax at all, while others, like California, can range from 1% to 13.3% depending on your income level. And New York's state income tax rates range from 4% to 10.9%, but New York City has additional local taxes. Let's do the math to compare the after-tax income in each of these locations. If you make $100,000, then your after-tax income would be roughly $69,000 in Los Angeles, $66,000 in New York, or $75,000 in Miami and Austin. However, your exact tax liabilities would depend on your personal circumstances. You may think it's an easy choice to move to an area with no state income tax, but income tax is not the only factor when it comes to cost of living. In addition, it can be typical for salaries to be dynamic from one location to the other in order to meet the costs of taxes or local expenses. Regardless of state taxes, everyone pays federal income tax. Federal taxes are typically higher than state or local taxes and can range from 10% to 37% depending on your income. For example, in 2024, single filers paid 10% on income up to $11,600 and 37% on income above $609,351. Federal tax rates are based on income brackets. These rates increase as your income rises. This means that if your income were to increase, only the additional income could be taxed at a different rate. Now, let's talk about Social Security and Medicare, also called FICA taxes. Employees pay 6.2% for Social Security and 1.45% for Medicare, matched by employers. If you're self-employed, you'll pay both portions, 12.4% for Social Security and 2.9% for Medicare. Social Security contributions have an annual cap that changes regularly, but Medicare contributions are uncapped. U.S. taxes are moderate compared to countries like Denmark or Sweden, which have higher top tax rates and smaller income brackets. The U.S. tax system is unique, however, because it taxes worldwide income for residents and citizens, which is less common globally. In addition, state and local taxes add complexity, making your total tax burden vary based on where you live. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll explore how tax treaties can help reduce your tax burden.